The SonicWall Capture Labs threat network catalogs more than 50 million new forms of malware every year. Many are new types of ransomware and credential theft malware, but all of them are designed to attack your endpoints and servers. Threat actors are also constantly deploying new evasive tactics for sneaking malware past network defenses, including the increased use of SSL TLS encryption to hide malicious payloads from firewalls. End users also need the flexibility to work in a variety of locations, so it's very common for them to use their endpoints outside the network, which means you have to provide complete endpoint protection both inside and outside the firewall perimeter. SonicWall Capture Client, a unified client platform, delivers proven multiple endpoint protection capabilities, including support for visibility into encrypted traffic, firewall enforcement, and cloud-based reporting, and stops malware on the endpoint in 3 ways. First, by leveraging machine learning to prevent attacks before they execute. Second, by continuously monitoring behavior and halting attacks as they execute, but before they can do any harm. And third, by providing unique rollback capabilities that let you restore an endpoint to a state prior to when malware was downloaded or its payload was initiated. Capture Client also integrates with Capture Advanced Threat Protection, the network sandbox featuring SonicWall real-time deep memory inspection to aggressively examine and manipulate suspicious files to find newly written advanced malware that has not activated. Capture Client also provides built-in capabilities for existing SonicWall firewall users. Capture Client helps counter the explosive growth of encrypted malware by assisting the firewall in performing deep packet inspection of SSL and TLS encrypted traffic, also called DPI-SSL. Capture Client makes it easier to add the required DPI-SSL certificate to the endpoint, which makes for a more secure system and an end-user experience free of browser error messages. Capture Client's endpoint security enforcement also gives you the ability to restrict individual system access, so you can ensure your network is still protected even from potentially infected or vulnerable endpoints that don't have Capture Client or a DPI-SSL certificate installed. On top of these features, cloud-based management and reporting gives your administrators better control over your endpoints while helping them quickly understand your security posture. With Capture Client, you can protect your endpoints regardless of whether they're inside or outside the firewall perimeter, so your end users can enjoy the work location flexibility they need without compromising your organization's security.